I'm going to be harvesting a few mulberries from this tree and showing you guys how to make an easy tropical smoothie. Stay tuned. Mulberries are low in calories and they contain a good amount of nutrients. They are rich in fiber and are especially rich in vitamin C, E, and K, as well as iron and potassium. Bananas are also extremely healthy. They are a good source of fiber, potassium, magnesium, B6, vitamin C, and several other antioxidants as well. So guys, the consistency of a smoothie is a matter of preference. If you would like your smoothie to have more body, you can use frozen fruits and add more fruits as well. These fruits are very sweet, especially if you're using well-ripened bananas. So it really isn't necessary to add honey or any other kind of sweetener for that matter. Now I'm adding all my ingredients into the blender and then I'll be blending until smooth. And once that's done, I just go ahead and pour the contents into a glass, and there you have it. Your 2 mints no sugar added smoothie, which is absolutely delicious. And in terms of nutritional value, this recipe will give you approximately 174 calories, 3.15 grams of dietary fiber, 8.54 grams of protein, 26.6 grams of carbs, 4.45 grams of fat, and 14.95 grams of sugar. Thanks for checking out my video, guys. I hope you liked it, and if you did and you want to see more videos like this in the future, then please click on the link right here so that you will be able to subscribe to my channel. And please be sure to check out my new video next week Sunday at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.